Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with TK. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pie. Easy, simple, anyone can make, even the kids. This is a lemon ice box pie recipe. So if you want to know how I made it, let's get into this video. To make a delicious lemon pie, a lemon icebox pie, you will need a graham cracker pie crust. This is the great value kind. It's 9 inches, and you can find this at your local Walmart. You should be able to find the graham cracker pie crust at any one of your local stores. You will need 2 cans of Eagles brand sweetened condensed milk. You will need the zest of 2 lemons. You will need 1 1/4 cup of lemon juice. You will need some pure vanilla extract. You will need 8 egg yolks. Separate the whites. This is going to be the easiest lemon pie you have ever made in your life. So, the first thing we are going to do is we are going to pour in our sweetened condensed milk into a bowl. This is the second can of sweetened condensed milk that I'm pouring in there. I will have all the ingredients listed in the description box below. Okay, whatever is left on the inside of the can, make sure that you scrape it out because it all doesn't come out of your can at once. So get you a spatula or a spoon that can scrape all the rest of your sweetened condensed milk out for this delicious summertime pie. I know it's hot outside. A lot of people will be barbecuing this weekend, and you want something simple and easy to make that's going to be delicious and tasty. That's right. A good old-fashioned lemon ice box pie. Who likes lemon pie? Leave a hand down in the comment section. I know I do. Okay, so we have all of that sweetened condensed milk out of these cans. Okay, so my next step is to add my egg yolks. And remember, this is 8 egg yolks. Separate them from the whites, okay? This pie is going to be simple and easy. And this lemon icebox pie recipe, you will have to bake in the oven for 20 minutes. This isn't the kind that you put straight in the freezer. This is the kind that's gonna set up and you don't have to worry about it breaking. Now it does go in the freezer, but we are going to bake this for 20 minutes, okay? Okay, so I have my egg yolks in there, and that's 8 egg yolks. 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. So now I'm going to add in my lemon juice, and this is 1 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I did not squeeze my lemons, okay? I bought some lemon juice out of Walmart. It's right by the lemons, okay? So I used about 1 1/2 of these containers. And you can just buy some lemon juice, okay? You don't have to squeeze it. Even the Dollar Tree has lemon juice for $1. So you can get that. Okay, so we got that in there. Okay, everyone, so now I'm going to add my lemon zest. And remember, I have lemon zest of 2 lemons, okay? 2 regular sized lemons. That's the outside of the lemons, if you don't know what the zest is, okay? And you just scrape the sides off. you know, with your grater. The same grater that you use, you know, to grate cheese. Okay? So that's 2 lemons. The zest off of 2 lemons. We are going to add in some vanilla flavoring. Just a teaspoon, okay? A teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Okay, so now the only thing left to do is to mix this together. Now you can use your hand mixer, you can use your stand mixer. I'm just gonna whisk this with my wire whisk instead of just pulling out that stand mixer. I'm gonna mix this very, very well together. I'm gonna get this well combined until it is extremely smooth. See how easy that is? It's not as bad as you think it is. See? And now this is gonna be the most difficult step, it seems like, is mixing it together. Okay, so the next step is to pour your ingredients into your 9-inch pie crust. This is a graham cracker pie crust for this delicious summertime lemon pie, lemon icebox pie. See that, everyone? It's gonna be so delicious. Yummy, delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna hit bake. I want it to bake at 350 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna preheat my oven to 350, remember, 350. You are going to set your timer for 20 minutes, okay? So it is out of the oven. I have cooked this for 20 minutes. It is still going to be jiggly, okay? But we're gonna let this sit and completely cool. So let it sit and completely cool off. And then we're going to have to put it in the refrigerator. We're going to cover it and we're going to put it in the refrigerator. And we are going to allow this to sit overnight before we can serve our lemon pie, our lemon icebox pie. This is going to be so delicious, y'all. Trust me. Do it this way and you will like it a whole lot better. Okay, so I have my lemon icebox pie in the freezer. After it has completely cooled, I have a top over it, and I am going to allow this to freeze overnight. If you don't have time to allow it to freeze overnight, allow it to freeze, sit in your refrigerator at least I would say 3 hours so that it can sit up. But I'm gonna allow mine to sit up longer than 3 hours. Okay, so this is my lemon icebox pie after allowing it to sit up in my fridge overnight. I'm gonna cut a slice and let's see how it turned out. Okay, so I cut a slice out, y'all. And I want you guys to see how it's sitting up. As if you leave it in the fridge for a little bit, it's gonna sit up real nice and pretty. See how firm it is? That's how it turned out, y'all. Okay, everybody. This is our lemon icebox pie recipe. This is a delicious lemon pie. Good for the summertime, especially if you like lemon pie. Get you some whipped cream topping and put it on there, or make you some meringue from scratch. And you can make this for Father's Day this weekend. If your father likes the lemon flavor, the lemon pies, they will enjoy it. Your whole family will. It's raining outside. It's early in the morning. So I hope everyone has a blessed day. If you're here in the South in Georgia, where I am, and it's raining, be careful, okay? Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. Stay tuned to my channel, everyone, for another great video. Peace, and have a wonderful, wonderful day.